Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show you the new smart calculator for pricing t-shirts with screen print. So if you are on the screen printing business with your setup, or if you only do transfers and you are new on this business and you're looking for maybe information how to price, well, this smart calculator can help you do that, and you can do it automatically or manually. I will show you how both ways work. And remember, you can use this calculator by joining my membership, the basic. But right now, YouTube has a special as of right now. I don't promise it's gonna happen or last when you watch this video, but right now on May 7, 2026, they have a 100% off your first month membership. So that's a YouTube promo. So you can use this calculator for free for a month. So anyway, let's begin. So first, let's start manually, and I'm going to show you a image that we're going to work on, which will be this. So let's say you gotta do an estimate for white t-shirts with these colors. So you want, the customer needs a one color estimate or two colors. So if you already know your pricing, you're gonna go manually, and then you're gonna do an estimate for 24 t-shirts. And let's say you live in Indiana, which is the state where I live. So this is important because each state has different types of pricing based on your local area and the information the calculator has. So let's say you're from Indiana, and it's gonna be first one color. So let's go down to one color, and let's say, well, this looks fair easy, I will say, or medium, I mean whatever you think it is, but I'm gonna go simple or just standard detail. Let's do standard. So the calculator is telling me for 24 t-shirts in the state of Indiana, only one color, the customer will pay around $12.26. This will already includes the setup fee, which most screen printers charge around $40. Down here it says, and the blank t-shirt is rounded up to almost $6.80, because a lot of us use Gildan jerseys or Anvil, so medium quality t-shirts. So it's already round up to an average what most people use, and also an average of what most people charge for setup fee. So this will be the total for 24 t-shirts, one color. It'll be like $12.26 per shirt. Again, this is just an estimate, as it says. It's not necessarily how much you should charge, but it gives you an idea based on the information this calculator has on the state that you live, the difficulty of the project, and the colors of the design. So now let's change to California. So I want you to see the difference. So it went up to more than $1, because California, New York, Texas are more expensive. So it went up to 336, which will be around $14.02 for just one color. So I think that's still a good price, and based on the competition, the information around, this will be a good roundup estimate of how much you can charge. So now you do the same with two colors, three colors, gives you an estimate of how much you could charge and all of that. But again, this is just an estimate. So now let's try it. Let's refresh. Let's start the automatic. I like this version better because all you gotta do is upload your image, or the customer sample. But let me be clear, it has to be a PNG without any background or transparent background. So let me show you. I have two samples here, one with the background, so it's a PNG, but it does not have the transparent background. How do I know? Because I don't see the patterns that usually PNGs with transparent backgrounds has. So this is necessary that you upload a PNG without any background, because look at the colors that it's detecting. So let's go to where it says detect colors and difficulty. It detects 5 colors, difficulty high, because the image is not clean. So this is why you're gonna get an error. And look at how much per shirt. That's gonna be way too high. So if you want an accurate estimate, you want to upload a one with no background right here, same image. Look at that. See, it indicates that it is a PNG without any background. Now let's click detect, and now it is saying 2 colors, which is black and red. Look at the difference. It is a more accurate estimate based on where you live. This is California. Let's go to Indiana. Okay, so it's $15.50 for a 2-color design screen printing for 24 t-shirts. Again, this is a fair estimate based on the location and the difficulty that the image or the system detects, which is low, and the image is clean, 2 colors. It is very accurate. So yeah, this is how easy it is to use. Again, if you want to use this calculator, you can do it right now. YouTube has a promotion, first month free, so it'll be a whole month for free. You can use this calculator with your basic account or basic membership. Well, I will upload more videos about this calculator, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Do you think it's accurate? Do you think it needs more uh, things to consider? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.